Welcome to the Australian Migration Tips Recap, Employer Sponsored Visa Edition. If you're interested in this visa, this video is for you. There has been a rumor saying that 482 visa is getting more and more competitive. Is that true? Let's hear what Anu says.
Will it be more difficult to secure your 482 visa after the recent changes from Department of Home Affairs? After the reduced work experience requirement for 482, many are wondering if it will become harder to secure the visa, given that more people will qualify. Unlike general skilled migration visas, employer-sponsored visas like 482 do not involve direct competition between applicants. Even if the allocated seats for employer-sponsored visas are filled, eligible applicants can still receive a bridging visa to continuously accumulate their work experience. The number of applications within the same financial year may affect the processing time, but not the chances of getting a visa granted, provided that all the applicants are meeting the requirements.
What a relief, since now the requirement is only 1 year of relevant work experience. Does unpaid internship count?
Does the unpaid internship count towards 482 visa? No, unfortunately, experience gained from voluntary or unpaid employment arrangements cannot be counted towards 482 work experience requirements.
Oh, that's unfortunate. What about those who have work experience but don't have a degree?
Can you apply for 482 without a degree? Yes, it is possible to apply for a 482 visa without holding a formal qualification. You may use your previous work experience to obtain certificates via recognition of prior learning, RPL. Please note that the RPL does not replace formal qualification. Therefore, depending on your country of passport, you may still be required to gain a positive skills assessment. Book a consultation with us to know your eligibility.
Lucky to have this solution. This is pretty common within the trade occupations. Speaking of trade, when it comes to cooks and chefs, these two occupations look so similar. Which one would you choose while lodging your 482 visa?
Chefs and cooks are both eligible for 482 visa and 116 direct entry stream. Which one should you apply for? When deciding on this, the key consideration should be given to whether your responsibilities include duties such as menu planning and staff training or not. If the answer is a firm yes, it is appropriate to apply as a chef, but if your current job duties do not clearly include these tasks, it may be safer to apply as a cook.
Next question is for 482 visa holders. What to do if you get invited by state nomination while on a 482 visa? Can you accept the invitation? This video gives you the answer.
Do you need to complete the required terms under your 482 visa? You need to complete the required terms until your new visa gets granted. However, if you qualify and get approved earlier for other visas like 116 TRT stream or GSM visas, provided you meet all the eligibility criteria, then there is no need to complete the required full term of your current 482 visa. Once your new visa is approved, its terms and obligations automatically override those of your previous visa. So if you are under a 482 visa, you can still look for other options to secure your PR.
Next, frequently asked question from 482 to 186. First question, if I change my employer under 482 visa, does that mean my experience towards 186 needs to be restarted?
Did you know that your full-time work experience towards the 160 TRT stream does not have to be under the same employer anymore? From 7th of December 2024, all Australian full-time sponsored employment can be counted towards 160 TRT stream, and if the nominee changed employers or sponsors during their 482 visa, their experience will continuously count instead of restarting.
That's a great news. Another thing to notice when you try to jump from 482 to 186 is that there is a specific requirement for the 186 TRT stream. When it comes to the 186 TRT stream, only work experience gained while holding a 482 or 457 visa counts towards eligibility. This means your qualifying work experience begins from the date your 482 or 457 visa is granted. If you're planning to pursue PR through the 186 TRT stream, it's essential to secure a 482 visa and start accumulating the required 2 years of work experience as soon as possible to stay on track.
That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you have learned something new, please click a like or subscribe for more videos like this. Any question, feel free to comment below. See you in next video.